विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मागच्या पिरियडमध्ये आपण बघितलं काही थेरम बघितले आणि काही कॉरोलरीज, त्याच्यावर आधारित काही उदाहरण पण सोडवलेले आहोत. आता पुढे आपल्याला जी थेरम बघायची आहे ती अतिशय इम्पॉर्टंट आहे आणि ती थेरम सोडवण्याच्या आधी काही जी कन्सेप्ट आहे जे वर्ग 9व्यामध्ये झालेले आहेत. समजा line A and line B, these are a parallel line. Okay, line A parallel to line B आणि एखादी लाईन C ही ट्रान्सफर असेल. ओके, लाईन C इज ट्रान्सवर्सल आणि त्यामुळे हे जे अँगल तयार होतात, अँगल 1 आणि अँगल 2 इथे घेतला. ओके, सो अँगल 1 कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू अँगल 2. ओके, या अँगलला कोणता अँगल म्हणतात? दीज आर द करस्पॉन्डिंग अँगल्स. दीज आर द करस्पॉन्डिंग अँगल्स. त्याच पद्धतीने इथे अँगल मिळालेलं 3 आणि अँगल 2. अँगल 3 and angle 2, these are also congruent. These are called as alternate angle. Means if the lines are parallel, then the corresponding angles are congruent and alternate angles also congruent. हे एक कन्सेप्ट आहे. दुसरी कन्सेप्ट आपण समजून घेऊया. कन्सिडर अ पॅरल लाईन. दीज आर द 2 पॅरल लाईन. आता पॅरल लाईन म्हटलं म्हणजे त्यांच्या ज्या हाईट्स आहेत, उंच्या ज्या आहेत, हे सेम असतात. ओके, कन्सिडर a triangle ABC. A is the vertex, lies on this line X. Okay, I take another point as a vertex D. These are the two triangles here. Okay, actually these two triangles are bounded in a 2 parallel lines. Suppose AE is the height of this triangle ABC. Similarly, DF is the height of this triangle DEC here. Here in triangle ABC and triangle DBC, base BC is common. Okay, now A is a height and DF is a height. Since these two lines X and Y are parallel, therefore these heights AE and DF are equal, and also AE is equal or congruent to DF. By using this concept here, these two triangles having equal base, common base means what here? Equal base and equal height, and therefore by corollary of previous theorem we can say that therefore area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle DBC. Now this concept are used in a previous successive theorem. ओके, मला वाटते तुम्हाला ते कन्सेप्ट समजले असतील. इथे आपल्याला एक अतिशय महत्त्वाची थेरम घ्यायची आहे. त्या थेरमचं नाव आहे बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनॅलिटी थेरम. इन शॉर्ट वी कॅन से दॅट BPT. B for basic, P for proportionality, T for theorem, BPT theorem. The statement here if a line parallel to the side of a triangle and intersects the remaining sides in two distinct points, then the line divides the sides in the same proportion. Now, how to solve this theorem? Okay. So, to solve this theorem here, we have to consider one of the triangle. Now, we can draw the triangle. Consider a triangle A, B, C. Okay. Now, what the statement says here? If a line parallel to the side of a triangle and intersect the remaining sides here, consider line L which is parallel to one of the side, that is BC, intersects side AB at point D and AC at point E here. Okay. Now we can write the given. In triangle ABC, line L parallel to side BC, it intersects side AB at point D and side AC at point E. To prove, what to prove? Here we have to prove AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. It means here the line L make a proportion to the remaining sides. How to prove this? So before I am going to prove here, we have to make some construction. Draw segment CD and segment BE like this. I show in dotted sign. Okay. Now in triangle AED and triangle BED. Now this triangle AED and BED, if you consider E as a common vertex, then height of triangle AED is this and height of triangle BED is also same. Therefore triangle AED and triangle BED, these are equal height triangles, and therefore according to corollary we can say it, their ratio of their areas BED must be proportionally to their corresponding bases. Okay. So ratio of triangle AED and triangle BED is equal to their corresponding bases. The base of triangle AED is equal to AD, and base of triangle BED is nothing but BD. Triangle AED and triangle BED are of same height or equal height. Also, in triangle AED and triangle CDE. Now if you look here, then triangle AED and triangle CDE, these two triangles are also equal height triangles. Now here, if you consider a common vertex D, then both the triangles are of equal height here. And therefore we can say that here, by the same corollary, area of triangle AED upon area of triangle CDE is equal to their corresponding bases. Base of triangle AED is nothing but here AE, and the base of triangle CDE is nothing but here EC. Okay, again the reason same. Okay, triangle AED and triangle CDE are of equal heights. Give it number second. Now we already mentioned that line L is parallel to side BC, and therefore here if you draw a height from B to this line, if you draw the height from C to this line, these heights must be equal. Therefore, if you consider triangle BED and triangle CDE, both the triangles having equal base, common base and equal height. And we know that according to the corollary, if the height and bases of the given triangles are congruent, then the given two triangles are equal. It means their areas must be equal, and therefore we can say like this: line L parallel to side BC, triangle BED and triangle CDE are of equal height and common base triangles. Therefore, by corollary, area of triangle BED is equal to area of triangle CDE. Give it number third. Now if you look the LHS of first, second and the statement number third here. Here the numerator are same. Okay. Denominator area of triangle BED. Here is the denominator area of triangle CD. And according to third here, these areas are equal, and therefore these ratios must be equal. and therefore from 1, 2 and 3 we get area of triangle AED upon area of triangle BED is equal to area of triangle AED upon area of triangle CDE. Now what is the value of this? The value of this is equal to what here? AD divided by AB, and the value of this is AE divided by EC. Okay, so in this way we can prove here, proved, hence proved.